Please, Lord. Mama Mary, stay with us. Journey with us. Angels and saints, journey with us. You travel not alone. May kasama tayo. Amen? And please don't forget, ano kayo magtimpla ng coffee? Right hand? Left hand? Nagtitimpla kayo ng coffee with kutsarita. Yung kutsarita ni Lord, akala mo ito ka na naman, Lord, I'm ready to go. It's all about me. It's all about my plans, my program. Hello? Okay yan. But please don't forget, yung tulong ni Lord. He will help you. He will help. As we journey 2025, let's put it very clearly.